Welcome to your first Field Readiness exam, Recruit. This exam is going to test your basic skills with Python. Let's commence a quick overview of the exam notebook. This is where we test your skills to see if you qualify to become a full field agent. Your job is to complete the tasks below to the best of your ability. Immediately after this, we'll go over the solutions and check your performance. Your first task is to open the exam.txt file that's in the same folder as this notebook with Python, and make sure to only use the read permission and store the contents of the file in a list called exam_lines. You can code in this cell here and check the matching output in this cell here. Notice how all these tasks have a cell for you to code in and then a cell that you should not code in. That way you can retain the expected output. Task 2 asks you to count how many lines does the file actually have. Task 3 asks you to print out the 5th line of the text file. Task 4 is to grab the last line of the text file and save it to a variable called last. Task number 5 is to use indexing to grab the letter O from the last line of the file. Number 6, how can you use Python to count how many words there are in the last line? Task number 7 is to answer this multiple part question, which is what data types are returned by the following lines of code. Basically, you should just answer these out loud to yourself and then check with Python to see if you got the right answer. There's no actual need to write anything down here. This is more just to check your understanding. Task number 8 is to check how well you understand indexing and key calls. So we give you a dictionary here with some nested levels of other dictionaries as well as nested lists, and your job is to get the single string get me please. You can check out the directions here under task 8. There's also a bonus task asking you how many unique integers are in this list. And you're going to need to use a casting method that we actually haven't shown you yet, but we will show you in the solutions. That's why this is a bonus task. All right, best of luck. We'll see you at the next lesson.